Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Our today's preparation is very easy. It is Soya Paneer Wrap. It's very tasty. Children love this preparation. It goes well as tiffin and snacks. I will prepare this without onion, ginger and garlic. For this preparation, we need soya granules. You can get it in any store. If not, just boil soya chunks and grind. You can check my soya roll or soya chunk video for this. I will share the link in my description box. Minced different colored bell peppers. You can use only capsicum too. Smashed paneer, handful peas, salt to taste, cumin powder half teaspoon, vinegar half teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, 2 rotis half cooked, chaat masala, slight lemon juice and any oil. First, boil soya granules and peas for 5 minutes, adding little salt and vinegar. If you want to use soya chunks, then first boil soya chunks like this. After that, grind those. In the meantime, heat up the pan with a little amount of oil. Fry bell peppers with salt in medium flame. In 5 minutes, add smashed paneer. Fry again with salt. Add boiled soya, peas, cumin powder and coriander powder. Mix properly. Add chaat masala and lemon juice. Let's taste the fillings. I have to add a little more salt. Now place this in other container. Take one side cooked roti and cut it into 2 halves. From 2 rotis, we can get 4 pieces. I'm sharing some of my good recipes in my description box. Please check those and try those at your home. Take first half. Put fillings in it. Please note that I have kept the cooked side of roti inside. Use any sauce or ketchup to stick one side with the other. The shape would be like a triangle. You can also use cheese along with the fillings to make it tastier and easy to fry. Although I didn't use cheese to make it a low-fat food. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon to get all my videos notifications. I will wait for your like and comment. If you like my video, please share this video with your friends. I have made 4 pieces. Heat the pan with little bit of oil. Fry these pieces in medium flame. Since we didn't use the cheese, please be very careful so that fillings don't spill out. Lift up one of the pieces partially to check whether frying is complete. If done, please flip it. Since the cooked side of roti is inside, please ensure to fry the outer side properly. This tasty, crunchy wrap is a pleasure to mouth. Also healthy and low-fat food. So, surely try this at your home. Take care. Bye bye.